After a long day on his campaign trail, on his way to Bhopal, Mr. Scindia speaks with us.
How tired are you, Mr. Scindia? We followed you for the 8th Sabha today. It's bloody hot.
Heat doesn't bother me. As I told you, I carry my pyaj with me, so heat doesn't bother me. I am a Chambal ka beta, and ये चमड़ी जितनी पकती है उतनी निखारती आती है.
The Maharaja's turned a Chambal ka beta for the election, or is that what it is now?
It's always the case.
The sheer fact that you say, मेरा प्याज मेरे साथ है, मैं चंबल का लड़का हूँ, is there a sense that you need to convey to the people and your voters this time that you're not a Maharaja, that there is no blue blood, you're one of them?
I've never been a Maharaja. I've always been someone who's grown up on my own mettle, on my own hard work, on my own perseverance. And that's something that has been ingrained in me from my childhood by my parents.
Mr. Scindia, you know, you fought this election from the seat in 2019.
I fought this election from the seat from 2002.
Yes, 2000. I'm just giving you context in terms of you lost in 2019.
Correct.
And what's the difference this time? Is it the party?
No, I think that a seat that and an area that has given me love and blessings 4 times for 17 years. Obviously, there must have been some failing on my part that I lost the seat in 2019, and I am not one to shirk away from my own failings, and so therefore it comes as part and parcel of the game.
You don't blame the Congress for losing because
I don't want to. No, I do not think that it is fair for you to blame anyone apart from yourself.
But the myriad factors that you also speak of, one of them possibly was Digvijay Singh. He's fighting possibly his last election. Nothing to say on that?
I have nothing to say. Everyone
neighboring constituency.
Everyone has a right to, in a democracy, to fight their election.
Wish him well.
I think the people very well recognize his contribution to the downfall of Madhya Pradesh. But yes, I wish him well.
This time around, if you look at the first 2 phases across the country, there's been a dip in voting percentage. Does that bother you? Does that bother the BJP here?
No, not at all. But I can guarantee you that across the board, and certainly Madhya Pradesh, both first phase and second phase, and all across the 29 seats of Madhya Pradesh, the BJP's flag is going to fly very, very high on the 4th of June.
The fact that you're fighting the Lok Sabha election now, is it somewhere down the line moving out of state politics in Madhya Pradesh? Or you're very much part?
No. Again, I want to tell you, for me, it's not state, center, X, Y, Z. It is about making a difference. It is about bringing about a change.
Good luck, sir, and we hope for your party's sake and your sake, you're right again. You were right in assembly elections. Good luck.
Thanks so much.
Have a good
Always
election.
A pleasure.
Have a good election.
It's time for us to take Mr. Scindia's good wishes to his bitter rival and Congress contender from his neighbouring seat of Rajgarh, Digvijay Singh. As we trace this electoral procession, with all its bells, with all its whistles, it's still a brief one. And then, for the next 5 years, the drums fall silent.